Hello, I'm Gordon Ritchie with Kollmorgen, and this is 2 Minutes of Motion. You might be wondering why I'm not at the office. Well, it's a beautiful day, and the Workbench software allows you to work offline to set up many different tasks. You can set up your units, for instance, or you can even troubleshoot a program. Begin with Workbench open, then click on the Add New Kollmorgen Device. Select Offline. At this point, you could choose between AKD Base Unit, AKD Position Indexer, and AKD Basic Programmable Drive. The base unit is a simple analog drive. Even though we are not connected to a drive, we can set up the analog input and save off those parameters. In our example, we will set up the drive for analog velocity. The drive command source will be set to 3 analog and the drive op mode to 1 velocity. The analog scaling is set to analog input screen. We set the range required for our application. In this example, 3000 RPM will be a plus minus 10 volt input. The scaling will be set to 300 RPM per volt. Once complete, the parameters can be saved and later uploaded to the drive. For the position indexer drive, the drive units can be set up in the unit screen. For our example, we are setting up a ball screw that has a 5-to-1 gearbox and 10 millimeters per rev lead. The position unit is set to 3 custom mechanics dependent. Motion tasks can be created and saved as part of the parameters. In the motion task screen, we see the position units reflect those set in the unit screen, making the motion task setup more user-friendly. The parameters can be saved and uploaded to a drive at a later time. Selecting Basic allows you to set up the programmable drive. You set up the units like you would normally and create your program as you would while connected to the drive. There are limitations to working offline, but a lot can be completed without the need of a drive. Open a program or create a new program. The code can be changed, compiled, and checked for errors. The program can be debugged and saved. There is currently no simulator for the AKD Basic, so final test must be completed while connected to the AKD drive and mechanism. Working offline can allow you to complete a lot of your work without being connected to a drive. But keep in mind, a lot of the important tasks, such as capturing a Bode plot, tuning, and the final performance and safety checks, you must be connected to the drive and the mechanism. I'm Gordon Ritchie for 2 Minutes of Motion. Please join me in our next segment.